Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. In fact, 2 of them are extremely limited edition. Once they're gone for good. So if you're watching this video and you go to the website and look for it and it's not there, that means it's already gone. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's talk about the limited edition first, then we'll talk about the other one that's one of my favorites. The first item that we have is the shaker kit that I took on HSN, almost 2 years ago. We found some in the warehouse, very, very limited. I mean, pretty much going to be gone before you even know it. But I thought that would be really fun to offer those on our website. So we found, I think, a box or 2 left in the warehouse. So we get to put them on our website. And I'm going to share that with you in just a minute. Then we have the wedding circle stencil. Now we put this into a kit a while back, so you might already have it. But if you don't, now's your chance to get it. Again, once it's gone forever, and you don't want to miss out if you need that stencil, because you know we all love our stencils, right? Now, the last item I have to share with you today is oh so special, because as most of you know, my daughter recently had twin baby boys, Liam and Miller, and we love them oh so much. And we needed a onesie fold-it. Now, what is a fold-it? A fold-it is a shaped card that fits in a standard A2 size envelope. How perfect can it be, right? And it has all these fun shapes. It has the rattle with the shadow. It has a little bottle with the shadow, and it has all these cute little pieces. And I have lots of samples to share with you. So let's start with the onesie samples, because look at how adorable they are. This one added oh joy. Look how cute that is with the little rattle. And then there it is, a card. Isn't that fun? God bless you on your new baby. Isn't that cute? With the little pattern paper, it just adds so much. Oh, here's one that's just, 2. Okay, so here's a cute little one with fox paper and the fox on it. Here's one that's just nice and basic, but perfect whenever you need one. Oh, here's a Christmas one if anybody has a Christmas baby. So cute. Also perfect for invitations to a baby shower, or a congratulations card for a baby, or a announcement for a baby. Look how cute that one is. Sweet baby. And then we have, this cute little girly one, butterfly kisses. It looks so cute with the pattern paper. Now, I have 2 other items to share with you on this. Lisa from my design team designed these and made these for my twins. And so she sent them extra special for Kirsten, my daughter, and they are just so cute. I have to share them with you. So here we have, this is L for Liam, and it says baby's first year. And then what she's done is she's taken these, and every single one has a picture for their month. And then she used it, she glued a whole bunch of these together so they're nice and thick. And then look at that. So we have 1 month, we have 2 months, 3 months. So we get to add these in. Now, Kirsten's really excited about this. She didn't want to add any pictures right now, but she's going to as soon as we finish this video. So look how cute that is. 8, 9, 10. So you could literally make a book out of this, or a little mini album, just like that, with 2 little rings on it. Isn't that cute? Now here's Miller's, because M for Miller, L for Liam, and Liam's always on the left, so wrong side. There we go. But look how cute those are. So Lisa, thank you so much. Kirsten loves them. She's already seen them, and I had to take them away from her to do this video. Oh, look, and the cute little rattle on there also. So fun. I love them. Thank you. Those are exciting. Now, let's look at the wedding ring stencil. So as you know, we all love our stencils with our brushes. We have so much fun with them. Here's a cute one using our elegant edge. So pretty, not just for, hello, first of all, just not for wedding. This one's retirement. This one just says blessed. This one says happy birthday. This one says congratulations. It can be for anything. Oh, this one's inside. Have a splendid day. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful. Now, the wedding stencil is wedding ring stencil. It's only called wedding ring stencil because that's the pattern, but you can use it for anything. It's very limited. The onesie we will always keep in stock, or we'll try to always keep in stock. And then the shaker kit. So the shaker kit, what comes in it? The shaker kit comes with a paper pad. Now, you might have heard the story on this. We had the shaker kits made overseas, and they made the paper for us, and they shipped them all to us. And I opened up the kit, and I said, everything's perfect except the paper. I was not a fan of the paper. So we took all the paper out. I had my factory in the United States in California reprint all the paper, so they printed it here. And now we have our wonderful quality that you've come to know and expect from Stamps of Life. For example, this is one sheet. It's really cardstock. It's nice and thick. So there's our paper pad. Now let's look and see what's in this kit, because it does come with quite a bit of fun stuff. perfect for making shaker cards. And we have some epoxy dots, of course. We have some fun little acrylic flower pieces that coordinate with the shaker card. So let me open this up. So look how cute these are, these cute little flowers. They're acrylics, they're fun. We have some sequins, because you always need sequins, right? We have some fun stickers. Now, I don't think we've ever really done regular stickers before except for this kit. So it's kind of fun to have those stickers in here. So we have some cute little stickers that coordinate with the paper and everything. Then we have some dies. So that's really awesome. The dies are gonna last you forever. You can make your, once you run out of the refills or the foam for these, guess what? You have the dies to make your own if you buy our adhesive foam. So don't worry about that. You are gonna have the dies to make these, okay? Now yours won't be as thick because our adhesive foam is thinner, but you could double up our adhesive foam and then it would be nice and thick. So how do we make a shaker? Let me show you. You have all the pieces you need, which is fantastic. You even have the dies so you can die cut a different color to put on top if you want. And let's make one really quick. So what we're gonna do first is we are going to die cut the base. Oh, let's open this one up. Lots to open here. So we're going to grab this out and we are going to die cut. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. We are going to grab this one out and we are going to die cut the solid one, just like this. So it looks like it's gonna cut a ring, but no, it's gonna cut just a scallop circle. So I am going to grab, let's do yellow. Let's do a yellow one, nice and bright. Nice and bright. So let's grab some banana and we're gonna die cut that and we're gonna run that through really quick. These are so fun because you get to pick and choose your colors and you can also, don't forget, make your own another time if you want to. So I'm gonna run that through. And now I have, look how easy that was, a perfect scallop circle that's gonna match my foam. Now I'm gonna just go ahead right now and die cut the frame. This is gonna be the add-on that I add on to my item. And I'm gonna use adhesive sheets on the back. And let's see, ooh, look, see, I already have adhesive on the back and I'm gonna just die cut it just like that. So this die is a little different than the one I just did because this is gonna cut the circle in there also. Okay, so just know that there's two dies. Okay, so we're gonna run that through. Now it does come with 2 other decorative dies if you want to use those as well. And here we have a circle you can use for something else. And then we have our fun ring. Okay, let's put our shaker together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the bottom. Always start from the bottom. That is our foundation. Now, if I wanted to stamp in there or do anything decorative in there, I could have done pattern paper in there if I wanted. I could have done anything. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pop this out and I'm gonna use this frame. Now, I could save this for another time. I could use this for just cutting it up and using, technically it's scrap, but you can cut it up and make it foam squares. So whenever you, or foam pieces, so you can pop up things on your other cards or any project you have. This has adhesive already on it. I'm just gonna peel off the back. There, whoops, there we go. Peel that all the way around. And I'm going to add this to my yellow base. Right there, just like that. Okay, done. How easy was that so far, right? Now we're gonna add in a cute little, I think I'm gonna actually add these little flowers because that's fun. Now I could have added sequins, I could add anything I want, but I'm gonna add those. Is that gonna be too tall? Let's see, we'll see, let's try. And I don't know if I can only add 1 or if I can add 2. Let's see, we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna lay that on top. Oh, they still move, great. Okay, so now I'm gonna peel off the second layer of adhesive backing. And I'm going to lay my window that's already cut. I'm gonna lay that right on top, just like that. And I'm a little off, but we're going fast for the video. Okay, so now look at that, okay? But you're like, oh, that's cute, but I don't want that white showing. Well, that's why we did the extra frame. So we're gonna peel that off, just like that. And now we're gonna add that on top, right there. And look at how adorable this is. Going all the way around, all the way around. And now look how fun. Isn't that awesome? How easy was that? How easy was that? Now, I know you're thinking, okay, how many do you get of these? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 already done foam pieces, but don't forget, you already have all the dies you need. Buy our adhesive foam and our acetate sheets and you can make as many as you want. Isn't that awesome? So fun. And then, of course, there's stickers to decorate it. There's paper, pattern paper that coordinates, but it's so fun. Now, again, very, very, very limited. I think we found 2 boxes of them and that was it. So, my friends, go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, of course, you get the club discount on these. How fun is that? And I will see you over there at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.